In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a clean, well-structured document layout from scratch in Adobe InDesign using master pages, guides, and styles. By the end, you'll have a flexible template that keeps your pages consistent and easy to update. Let's start by creating a new document. Go up to the File menu, choose New, and then select Document. This opens the New Document dialog box where you'll set the foundation for your layout. Here, make sure you turn on the option for facing pages. This is especially important if you're designing something like a magazine, booklet, or any project that has left and right pages facing each other in a spread. It helps you visualize how content flows across two pages at once. Next, choose your page size. Common options are A4 or letter, depending on your region and the type of project. Pick the size that matches your print or export needs. Once you've set the page size, adjust your margins to create a comfortable text area that doesn't run too close to the edge. At this stage, it's also helpful to add 2 or 3 columns. Columns make it easier to organize text into readable sections and give your layout a more professional structure right from the beginning. Now let's set up your master pages. Open the Pages panel, and from the panel menu, choose New Master. Master pages act like templates for the rest of your document. Anything you put on a master page will appear on all the pages it's applied to. On this new master, add any elements that should repeat throughout the document. This usually includes things like headers with your document title or section name, footers with page information, and page numbers. You can insert automatic page numbers so that they update correctly as you add or rearrange pages. Once you've designed your master, apply it to all the pages in your document through the Pages panel. This ensures every page shares the same basic framework. To help align your content precisely, set up guides. Go to the Layout menu and choose Create Guides. In this dialog, you can add rows and additional columns as non-printing guides. These guides sit on top of your layout and help you position text boxes, images, and other elements so everything lines up neatly. Think of them as a grid that keeps your design balanced and consistent across all pages. With the structure in place, you're ready to add content. Select the Type tool from the toolbar and draw text frames in your columns for articles, captions, or any written content. Type directly into the frames or place text from external files as needed. For images, go to File, then Place, choose your image file, and click or drag to position it on the page. Use your guides and columns to keep images aligned with the text for a polished look. To finish, set up styles for clean, consistent typography. Open the Paragraph Styles panel and create styles for your main elements, such as headlines, body text, and captions. Define the font,